Our next formula is the change of base formula, and this says that log base b of x can be written as log base a of x over log base a of b. So we're introducing a new base a here, and you'll see the note that the new base a can be anything, and we usually pick base 10 or base e because we're normally using the change of base formula to solve logarithms on our calculator. So we normally will just use the regular log or the ln. So like with the other properties and formulas, I want to prove it first. So for my proof, I'm going to let y equal log base b of x. Then I'm going to transform it into its equivalent exponential form. Then I want to take the log of both sides, and I'm going to take the log base a of both sides. And that's something that we're allowed to do. So we're allowed to take the square root of both sides, we're allowed to square both sides. As long as we do the same thing to one side that we do to the other, then we can do it. So we are allowed to take the logarithm of both sides. So this is going to be log base a of b to the y is equal to log base a of x. Next I want to use the power rule and bring down that y. So y times log base a of b is equal to log base a of x. And then I want to divide. So I'm trying to get y by itself. So I'm going to divide both sides by this log base a of b. So y is equal to log base a of x over log base a of b. And we're almost done here because we have this part of the formula. We just need this. And to get that, we just need to replace y with what we originally declared it as. So I'm going to replace y. So it's now log base b of x is equal to log base a of x over log base a of b.